In this video, I'll show you how you can add dropshipping products to your Shopify store. Now this is really easy, guys. What you want to do is click on Add Apps, click on Shopify App Store, and then from in here you want to add any of the dropshipping apps. Now a famous one is called SendDrop. I believe there's a free trial right now. So you just want to get it and you want to press install. And once you have SendDrop installed, I suggest you watch this welcome video where they explain how it's working and stuff like that. Now, as you can see, it will do the dropshipping for easy product sourcing and print on demand options, automated fulfillment, fast shipping and delivery, custom branding if you want that, and also they have good support. So watch the video on how it works and just make sure you download this, or you can download any of the other dropshipping ones, but this is the one that I know the most. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.